Good morning, class 10th. I think you all are fine at home also. So be safe at home. Now today we start the chapter number 5, that is AP. Now the first thing I will tell you what is that AP. Arithmetic progression is the chapter. In short, we can write as AP. Now, what is it? Suppose some series I will write. Like look at that 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 and 9. One more I will write. So what is the same thing in all the series? Look at that. If you see the difference, look at that. The difference is 2. And here the difference will be what? 9. Here the difference is 4. So in all these series the difference is same. So that type of series where the distance is common is simply known as AP. A series, I will write the definition. A series whose difference is same is known as AP in short. Okay, so this is the first and simple definition of AP. Now I think we directly go with the exercise. And first exercise 5.1, first question we will do afterwards. Okay, first question we will do when we have completed up to exercise 5.3. At last we will discuss this one. But right now we start from the question number 2. Now few things I will tell to you all before starting the exercise. Now this is the first thing. First term is called. This we can call as a first term. Or another name I will give as a. I can call it as a. This is the A. Now similarly when it will end like 100, so this will be your last term. And this we can call as AN. A and small capital N at the round. Or one more thing is there, L. L means the last term. Now here the number of terms are there. This is first term, second term, third term, fourth term, fifth term, up to like 50 terms are there in this series. So N will be the number of terms. Is it clear? And the difference is there. The difference is what? 4 minus 2. The difference is 2. We have to do the second term minus first term only. So the difference is given 2. And the difference will be denoted as a D. Simple. So these are the main things which I have to tell to you. First term, the difference is called by D, or 2 is the difference in this series, and will be the number of terms, L will be the last term, or N will be the last term. Note it down. Now, one more thing is there. Suppose a general series is there. What is a general series of an AP? General series is A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, dash. So this is the general series of an AP. Whenever you have to find the AP, put the values here and you will get the AP. Just like the second question now. See the question number 2. Like second question, write the first 4 terms of the AP, which the first term A and the common difference D are given as follows. Where A is given 10 and D is also 10. Okay. In the exercise 5.1, question number 1, first part, A is given 10 and D is also given what? 10. Now find the, means put the value here. A is 10, okay. Then D, now second one is A is 10, D is 10, okay. A is 10 plus 2 times of D is 10. A is 10 plus 3 times of 10. So the series is 10 plus 2, 10 plus 10, 20. 2 into 10, 20. 20 plus 10, 30. 3 to 10, 30, 30 plus 10, 40. So same like these are the 4 terms which I find it when I will put the formula. Now one more part I will do, second part. In the second part, A is given -2 and D is given 0. Okay. Now the general series is what? A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D to infinite. Now A is what? -2. Then -2 plus 0. Then -2 plus 2 into 0. Then -2 plus 3 into 0. That's just this. -2. -2 plus 0 is what? -2 only. 2 into 0, 0. So what left? -2. 3 into 0, 0. So what will left is -2. So this is the fourth term. All the terms are same because here D is given 0. That's why. Difference is 0. That's why all the terms are same. Now third part, last part I will do again. Then fourth and fifth part is your homework. Third is A is 4 and D is -3. For the third part, A is 4 and D is -3. A is 4 and D is -3. So A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D. A is what? 4. 4 plus that -3. 4 plus 2 -3. 4 plus 3 -3 dash. 4 and 4 minus 3 plus minus will be what? 4 minus 3. Then 4, 3 2s are -6. 4, 3 3s are 9. Now 4 minus 3 is 1. 4 minus 6 is -2. 4 minus 9 is -5. So this is your AP. These are the 4 terms. Now fourth and fifth part is your homework one. Now third question. For the following AP, write the first term and the common difference. Okay. Question number 4, not fourth part. Third question, sorry. Third is first part. Series is given 3, 1, -1, -3. Now write the first term. What is the first term here? What is the first term? Now write the common difference. How we can find common difference? Second term minus first term always. Second minus first term. So I can write 1 minus 3. So common difference is -2. One more I will do, second part. -5, -1, 3,7. Now again same thing we have to do. So A is your this. So A is what? -5. Now D. How we can find D? Second term minus first term. So -1 minus first term is what? -5. So D is -1 minus will become +5. So -1 plus 5 is what? -1 plus 5 is equals to 4. So this is the answer. Now same as it is third part and fourth part you can do by your own. And question number 4th that we will discuss in the next class. Last question is there, then after that exercise will be over. And after that we start the second exercise. So up to there we're done. Complete your work, do the homework, and thank you class. Be safe, be at home. Take care. Thank you.